Now that, you're right, that needs...
You need to use the bathroom?
I see it.
That's the guest house.
Sharon will like that.
I'll tell you about that later.
Are they cutting any of these pines out?
Yeah, they're gonna thin a bunch of this out. And get rid of the bunch. Fresh clover planting.
Nice. There goes one.
Oh, sweetheart.
Like a good sized one, maybe, huh? Okay, so the bus is coming around town. This is on a project that'll be coming up here soon. Phil and I put a new lawn in at a homestead here. But I'll let the tape roll and then I'll show you my Polaris so it's all put in context.
Poor Joe, no AC, and he worked past noon. No AC, no AC, no AC, and he worked past noon.
What are you doing that with a disc?
So, yeah, I dissed that. So that strip we went across is going to be clover all the way from this edge all the way down that draw.
Okay,
And then there'll be corn here and corn on the other side of it.
okay.
So it offers a nice 20-yard bow shot from, I got a big 25-foot tall stand in front.
I think he likes the air. Do you like the air conditioner?
Yes, it feels good in here.
This road looks like it stays wet, huh?
It's not that bad. I've been disking and trying to get the ruts out of it from that I put in during trapping season. That pasture in front of the house looked like this when I started. Maybe not quite this bad, but it was pretty close. Give them a little bit of daytime water.
Right. Yeah, definitely. Okay, so this is an old cattle pond and it's pretty deep in Phil's woods. This is next on our to-do list. The excavator is still at his farm, so we're going to peel all these trees off of the inside of this old dam. That's the kind of overflow right there. And then I'm going to take this bottom out and repack it and see if we can figure out what's causing it to leak. I believe it's seeping from the bottom because there doesn't seem to be a leak anywhere in the dam. So this is coming up here in the next, hopefully, week or so. We can get this knocked out. Is that yours?
That's from my oldest boy. He called it the city slicker because I got reflective tape on it. I got it so that he couldn't miss it. He goes, "Well, they get lost."
Just had to move this tree obstacle out of the way.
So you can see about pine tree. It's got great cover because you can't even see the stand.
Yeah, I like having cedar for cover.
Yeah, it's only about 16 feet off the ground, and I normally like to be 25. Got a persimmons tree right there that produces every year in the middle, so that's why I've never taken that one out.
Nice.
But right here where this grass is about where the last of the plot was. It just kept growing out, so I decided to start clearing back,
Okay.
pushing back.
Oh, mush. Now that, you're right, that needs an outlet unless you want to keep your mud hole.
No. Same thing with these two. That's the problem. These are good neighbors.
I can see how you're already much thicker compared to across the fence.
But this was in cattle operation 20 years ago. So it was staying mowed down.
Good neighbor to have. Keep the deer over on your side most of the time. They don't really like scare the deer away, especially if you got
They just
good habitat
soft
nearby.
bump. A soft bump.
Phil built this bridge. That's why he's on our engineer and design crew for our new bridge. Oh, wait, he actually is our engineer and design crew.
I've had water come over the top of that.
So that's the Nickel Tour. Here's a view from their home. They, much like us, moved down here from farther north a few years back to take advantage of the beautiful country living down here. So you guys have a fantastic farm. Appreciate the tour, and Phil, looking forward to getting that water hole knocked out. So keep in mind, folks, if you like our content, hit the like button and comment and share it. We appreciate it. So we'll catch you on the next project or the next country living adventure. Capper out.